Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I found this for $3.90 at the local stationery shop. So I am going to open it today, and if you haven't watched, please watch my other Pokemon card opening video. I'm kind of out of breath. Yeah, I did some research, and this is how usually people show their Pokemon cards. So I'm just gonna open it now. It says 50 authentic cards. I don't know whether it's authentic because no, I don't know. So first we have a Rhydon.
Do you want to show it on the floor?
We have a Rhydon, a Shallows.
Facing the camera, please.
Oh yeah, sorry. A Rhydon, a Shallows, a Shepherd, Horsey, Lickitung, Ghastly, Ducklet, Hisuian, Zorua, Binnacle, Gumi, Macalgo,
What's that? Okay.
Raichu, Fire Energy.
Okay.
I'm just gonna place that there.
Damage pump.
Damage Pump, Survivor, Galarian Stunfisk.
You should.
It's kind of like there's 50. I'm gonna go over this faster. Fighting type energy, Nuzleaf, Torkoal, Azuria, Wurmple, Dynamo, Seedot,
Oh, this is double.
Horsey. Oh yeah, that's double. Meditate. Oh my god, they were stuck. Steel type energy. Hisuian, Sligo. So it's gonna be here. Electric. Swana, Murkrow, Shepherd, this is a duplicate, Wurmple, duplicate, Dynamo, another duplicate, Seedot, duplicate, Binnacle, Porygon, Ducklet, Blipbug, Finneon, Gliska, I guess. Psychic type energy, Cascoon, Ampom, Snow, Ghastly, duplicate, another Binnacle, another Murkrow. Wait, what's this? Oh yeah, I forgot to show there's a Hisuian Growlithe, another Wurmple, a Clefairy, and fighting type energy. Yeah, this is it for this video. I'm kind of rushing because I have kind of other things to do and it's very late at night. So I hope you will watch us again. Goodbye.